Stuck with leftover funds on your Thomas Cook Forex card after your trip? No worries, we'll show you how to transfer that money back to your bank account quickly and easily. First, let's explore your options generally. You have two main routes to transfer funds: online through the Thomas Cook website or app, or offline by visiting a Thomas Cook branch. For the online method, head to the Thomas Cook India website. Make sure it is the official Thomas Cook India website. Log into your Forex card account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for options like transfer funds, manage card, or withdrawal. These options might vary slightly depending on the website's layout. Click on the option that allows you to initiate a fund transfer. Now, you'll need to provide your bank account details. This includes the account holder's name as it appears on the bank account, your full bank account number, and the IFSC code of your bank branch. Double-check these details for accuracy to avoid any transfer errors. Keep in mind that Thomas Cook might charge a fee for transferring funds back to your bank account. These fees can vary, so it's essential to check the applicable charges before proceeding with the transfer. This information can usually be found on their website or by contacting customer support. Alternatively, you can visit your nearest Thomas Cook branch. A representative can assist you with the transfer process. Remember to bring your Forex card and a valid photo ID for verification. After submitting your transfer request, either online or at a branch, you'll typically receive a confirmation message or email. The funds should be credited to your bank account within a few business days, and that's it. Enjoy access to your travel funds again.